Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 515 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the menu and then let's find the settings just by pressing those particular buttons, so the down button and the left button. Let's tap in the middle to select, and here we have to scroll down, just go down to the display and tap on press select. Here we've got, as you can see, the wallpaper, and by going to the right or to the left we can pick particular options. So we can open the files, we can set the slide set, we can open the camera, so we will be able to take a photo and set it as a wallpaper. Here we've got some graphic downloads, image format, etc. Let me tap on OK because I just want to tap on select here. And as you can see, here we've got also kind of the same menu. However, I'd like to tap on open files and pick the graphics because here I've got all of the wallpapers. Here we've got some albums also, like frames or clip art. I will pick the wallpaper, so let me open it. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which you can choose. So let me maybe set the pine cone, as it is also set as a theme of my device. So just mark it and tap on or press select. As we can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied. So let's go back to the home screen, and here we've got the wallpaper applied successfully. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the wallpaper in your Nokia 515. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.